Yes, family, it's another great rise, you know. So I'm say give thanks for the blessing. We wake up another day. So yeah, have some nice weather today. So I decide so I'm gonna start pull this thing apart. Yeah, that's what I say. I'm gonna start one deck at a time. I'm gonna start with a deck here. So it's gonna be a lot of work. So you guys stay tuned and just watch me sweat. All right, check in shortly.
Gotta turn back.
All right, all right. So first deck boards are up. So yeah, make one trip already to the dump site. I wanted to repurpose it, but most of this lumber is rotten. So you know, next truck load there. So I'll make a couple of trips. But yeah, that's where we are so far. You know, so you guys can see. Now my next thing to do is get all these nails out because I was pulling up the deck boards. As you can see, there's a lot of nails. Let me get in closer. You see, there's a lot of nails left in. So I gotta get all these nails out. All these nails. But for now, I'm gonna take a break, drink some water, and relax. So check in shortly. Yes, family. So I put in some work today. As you can see, most of this, well, the biggest part of the deck, see there? Clean off. Yeah. Took up all the lumber, so some in the back of the truck, we make about two trip got the dump already, so I have about two more trip. Cause you know we have to keep the work site clean, you know. So that is it now. Yeah. Clean up everything now. So the next thing we have to do now, check all of the lumber them, and most of them good. Yeah, all of them good still. So I have some what they call it, I got put on top of it. Some tape is waterproof tape. So me I test it out there. So I go and put that on top, right? And then I have some it's not paint, it's a I can't remember it. I will show it to you when I put it on still, but it will protect the wood underneath there, so you know. All the joust them. Yeah. So once we put on the tape now, then I will put that protectant on it. You know? And then we are go. So me I look practice out what kind of design I gonna put on it. I don't know yet. Bridging say Bridging not gonna come help me. I have two Bridging that come help me Sunday. I'm gonna start put this thing together. So I'm saying I make a like a pattern on it. So the same Bridging help me build the pan. I help me build the shed. The shed there too. Me and him build it. So me him and one of my other Bridging I will come work on this thing here, you know. So what I'm gonna do now tomorrow, I'm going to finish taping this up, put on the protectant on it, so that way it's supposed to rain tomorrow. It's supposed to rain sometime. It's supposed to rain this weekend. So want to get that on first, so everything is protected, and then Sunday now, yeah, we are gonna just start work on this thing. Yeah, this is the biggest part of the deck, you know. So at least once we get this done, you know, we have a better idea. I know if I take it apart now everything, so I can just the second part and the upper part now I can work on. And that won't be that will be a lot easier. Not got easy, but it's not gonna be easier. So yeah, until then, yeah, we check in. Alright? Yes. Yes, family. So see, you know. Yeah man, everything good and set up, you know. Put on some protector so that when the rain go through it now, it no mess up the joust them, you know. And then we put on, you can see the joust them darker, we put on some protectant on it. So yeah, phase 2 is done. So bridge them as I say I come over Sunday and we're gonna drop on the boards them, you know. And of course we're gonna do an epic cookout at the same time. So you don't know it go already, you know. Yeah man. Can't have work I go on and now cook some food, you know. So this is what we look forward to. Alright, whole heap of work. Whole heap of work left to do, but yeah man, as I say, I have some good birds in the man. Come over, come help me out and we're gonna finish that. This first decking. You see it? So until Sunday, stay tuned and watch what I go on for this new decking we're gonna put up an epic cookout what I go on Sunday. Alright? So yeah man, check in Sunday. Alright. Much love. God bless.